So we are now in Mumbai, and yeah, Mumbai also has a beach. So I was walking towards the sea, but it's really difficult to find a normal beach here. Because when I was walking towards the sea, I saw a lot of rats and yeah, a lot of dirt. Hey sir, what are you doing? I'm making a video. How do I go there? How? Oh, there. Let's go. Is this your home? Oh, let's go to... oh, there's the rat. Here. As you can see, a very big, fat rat. So yeah, as you can see, this is not the best place in Mumbai, but yeah, you have to go to the best places of a city and also the least visited places of a city. Or yeah, it's not really, I think, visited by tourists. But yeah, let's concentrate a bit before we step into the shit of the local people here. Because we are going to visit our friends in the bush. Hello sir.
Good.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, man.
Yeah?
I'm fine.
What are you doing here?
Why you?
Huh?
Who's this?
This for YouTube. You know YouTube? You don't know YouTube? But what is this place? Can you explain?
I don't know English.
Oh, you don't know English?
No.
Ah, okay,
I know
okay.
Hindi.
Hindi?
Yeah.
You speak English?
No.
Oh, also no. But what is this place with all the... Was the sea like higher than normally? No? Okay, but what was your name?
Sorry, boss.
Swaribor.
Sorry. Javed.
Jawed? Sheikh.
Yeah.
Jawed Sheikh.
Yeah.
Jawed Sheikh, nice to meet you. Where is the beach? The beach. You know beach?
Yeah, enjoy. Beach, enjoy.
Is this beach?
Yeah,
Is this Mumbai beach?
yeah.
Ah,
Kata
okay.
Road.
Katarok beach.
Yeah.
Is this best beach in Mumbai?
Kata Road.
Katarok beach, okay. And do you... Do people also sleep here? Like sleep?
No.
No? Just chill.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Yeah, okay, nice. Watching video behind the rock on the beach of Mumbai.
उधर जाओ.
Oh, there's the
इधर
beach.
Toilet है इधर.
Toilet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's toilet.
Yeah, toilet.
Ah, yeah, doesn't really look like just Bush's toilet free. Bush toilet.
Toilet, 1 number, 2 number, यहाँ सब करते हैं.
Ah, okay.
उधर सब घूमने फिरने का है.
घूमने फिरने का?
हाँ, घूमने फिरने का है. Walking, this.
Walking.
This side.
Okay. घूमने फिरने का is walking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Outside.
Okay, nice. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, let's go to another place on the Mumbai shore. Because it was a little bit difficult to communicate with the locals here. But it's actually really busy. I think a lot of people are going to the beach of Mumbai to, yeah, have a nice end of the day. And what's there? River. Oh, that's better.
Yeah.
You recommend that. And there?
Yeah, 2 numbers, 1 number.
2 number, 1 number? Okay, I don't understand.
Yeah. Some side.
First there, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
This is a place with a lot of like chickens. And also a lot of animals and again rats. So yeah, really a lot of rats. Here you can see 1 rat. There you can see 1 rat. What are you doing here, Indian rat? But yeah, here you can see that there is more like an environmental issue than maybe there's also climate issue. But it's so dirty on the shore. And yet, of course, that happens if like millions of people live in one city, throw everything on the ground. Of course, you also have people who take good care of the city, but yeah, this is really the shithole of Mumbai, as you can see. Some stray dogs. Not the best idea to go there. But let's go to the fisherman. Are you going to fish? Are you going to fish?
No. We have gotten it.
You already fished today? Ah. Cleaning the net.
ये लोग को बोलना मेरे को क्या बोलते हैं?
Okay.
Vlogging?
Vlogging, yes. Indian vlog. But you go here on the shores or really far into the...
Far.
Far with this boat?
Yeah.
Oh.
We have a machine for that. We put a machine over there.
Ah, motor.
Motor.
Not dangerous?
Out motor. Huh?
Not dangerous with the big waves?
No.
No?
I tried it.
We
Okay.
get drowned mostly. We
Mhm.
get drowned, but then
Okay.
we have this habit of coming back.
And big fishes or...
Big fish, small fish, pomfret,
Big
prawns,
fish, small
jumbo
fish.
prawns.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so this is also a place where people go fishing. And of course, if you're going to eat fish in the city, you're going to eat fish from this sea. And this is where all the sewage from Mumbai gets into the sea. A lot of waste, a lot of dirt. But let's go to the other side of the beach, because the guy who was sitting there in the bush recommended that part. So, you are going to subscribe?
Yeah,
perfect.
You
But
can
what
tell
was
your-
your name?
My name is Rohit.
Rohit?
Nice to meet
What
you.
was your name?
Sunny.
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 Yeah.
Sunny, nice to meet you. Box.
Box.
We always give box. And your name?
Yeah.
Arjun.
Orjon. Orjon, nice to meet you. What was your name?
His name is Tanga.
Tanga.
We call him Tanga. His real name is different.
He doesn't talk, or?
He talks everything.
A little bit.
Alcohol.
Oh yeah, alcohol. But can you maybe explain what is this place? Do you live here? Or?
Yeah, that's my boat.
That's your boat?
Yeah, that's my boat. I fish over. I'm a fisherman.
Ah, you are
It's a
fisherman.
fisherman area. This whole place is a fisherman area.
Fisherman area.
Where we go to fish. There's the spots we have to fish.
Ah, okay. But in the beginning there are a
Yeah.
lot of rocks, I think,
there's all
right?
around. So you have a particular place to move around. Before, if you take a left or right, your
Yeah.
boat gets drowned or something, or either comes between the waves,
Okay.
tries
okay.
to crumble.
Yeah.
It rolls over.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is. But who live here?
This is like people now who have migrated from somewhere.
Or migrate from smaller villages?
Yeah, smaller villages.
Oh, smaller
exactly.
villages.
Smaller
Ah,
villages. They
okay.
migrate, so particularly don't have anything to stay in.
Yeah.
So they find a place to live.
Oh, they go to the big city and they think there's a better life. And
yeah,
then,
they try to, but no, they have a family. The whole family is over.
yeah. And from which? Hello, sir. How are you doing?
What's up?
What's up?
Guess what's up?
What's that? What did you say?
Yeah.
Hey, what's this? Is this Uzbekistan hat?
Uzbekistan की नहीं
Yeah? Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Ah, okay, okay.
Mumbai.
But from which city or which part of
We
of India are you?
I'm from this place, my home ground.
Oh, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. And you?
From Mumbai. He's from Nepal.
Nepal. Ah, okay, okay. Which Kathmandu? Pokhara?
Pokhara. He's from Pokhara.
Pokhara. Oh, really? What do you do here? But why did you move from Pokhara to Mumbai?
For work related he came.
Hmm?
Yeah, for work related, to find a good
Work
job.
related?
Yeah.
Okay. And did you find good job or?
No, that's why I landed over here.
Oh.
It's Foxy.
This is your
Yeah, it's Foxy.
Foxy?
Yeah.
Oh,
His name is Foxy.
I don't want to get rabid.
Yeah, he's nothing.
You know,
He won't even
yeah.
bite, he won't even come close to you.
All dog owners say that they don't bite.
No. They
And
are
then
not owners. See now, he's calm.
Okay.
We have 5 together in this total.
5 of this?
Someone left 5 small people around.
Oh, you can sell those dogs as well.
We don't sell anything.
Why not?
Why not? Why to sell them?
No, like get a lot of baby
They
dogs.
come every day to our houses to sleep.
Okay.
They roam around the whole day.
Okay.
But when it's rainy or something. they come
But
around.
do you sleep alone
No,
in
I
this
don't
house?
sleep. I have a house over there.
Oh, you have a house
I live
over
over
there.
there. I have 2
Oh, you
houses
live over there. Ah,
That's the
I
most
see.
high-end society over there. That the whole place is the whole building you can see.
Is that the dream of everyone to?
Yeah, particularly.
sometime
Yeah, particularly.
live
Yes. You
That's
can
the
say
best place.
One of the best places. Most of the actresses around, Indian actresses live around over here.
Okay.
It's the same, that's Cut Road.
But everyone is fishermen here.
Probably, most probably, yeah. But fishermen all we live on that lane. That's the smaller society around. See?
Small
You can
society.
see smaller structures over there around.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all fishermen around lived over there.
Okay.
And many come and migrate. Everything they do here.
All the fishermen live along the coastline
Of course, coastline. It's easier
to access
the sea.
Yeah.
Pine se paani.
Yeah, but do you pay anything here?
No, we do. I don't stay here. That's actually our land.
Oh,
That place is owned by my dad, which is that container has been put.
that's yours.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
my dad, which he owns. Yeah, people own this piece of land, some place.
With a stoner fuck
Yeah,
police.
stoner. Stoner. Don't say that fuck police.
Okay.
This boat, one I gave it on rent, and I gave one to use them.
This is your boat.
Both of them.
You only own this.
Yep.
Okay. Not together. Or not together.
Now it's raining season, so we are going to get it down. So there's the
Big boat.
Yeah. This is now little bit of paint work and everything is left to be done.
But do you go every day?
Yep. Now it's season going to start. See, there are some smaller boats.
A smaller boat. But this is not a boat which you use for the sea, right?
This is for the sea. This is using the sea. There's a machine over there. We have a 20 horsepower engine.
Is this an
Everybody-
engine? Do you have an engine?
Yeah. It's a
Oh.
handle start, so you have to take that pressure, put it with your arms. Not that boat.
It's really like old-fashioned way of.
It's old fashioned.
But it works.
It's really pretty impressive in
Yeah.
everything.
Interesting.
And
So you have to push and.
Yeah, there are different types of ways to do it.
Okay.
So there's this one is one. This one. It requires a bit work now.
Yeah, but it always takes you back to.
Yeah, always. It's a pretty good.
Otherwise
boat.
you can pedal.
I can still take 10 people and go for a pretty good ride, and I can
Yeah.
come. It's safe. Come on.
What a place. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, sir.
Do you have a message for the world?
You
Yeah.
can't understand.
Try in English.
No English.
Okay, you say, he translates
Yeah.
in Hindi.
Yeah, just Hindi.
Okay, message for the world. Can you translate?
तू हूँ के दुनिया ने तू हूँ के वजह
अरे अपन बोल रहे तो ये दुनिया में ऐसा है कि कैसे पैसा रहेगा तो दुनिया चलेगी, पैसा नहीं रहेगा तो बाप कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा इधर। इंडिया जिस ऐसा है कि अपना जब अपना के काम धंधा करके खाएंगे जब भी अपना पेट भरेगा, नहीं रहेगा तो कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा। जस्ट मनी नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है इंडिया में। Just family.
Okay. What did he say?
He's saying money is everything. If there's no money, nothing is there. Every day earn, every day we have to feed, every day we have to eat. That's life.
Okay.
Currently we are living that life in India.
Yeah. That's a good closer for the video. Thanks for the information. Nice to meet you.
You can go.